Okay, so now everyone stop writing. So I'm allotting you the chess numbers now. Meanwhile, you keep on revising whatever you have written. Revise your story. Okay, ready for the narration, everyone? So everyone, switch on your cameras. So make sure your camera is on whenever you're narrating your story, and you will get only 1 minute for narration. Once the last chess number finishes his narration, then we'll be proceeding with the group discussion. Right? So is chess number one?
Sir, I didn't got the message, sir. Here's the message.
Okay. Wait, let me send again. So chess number one is Akshit, second is Manu, third is Abhilash, fourth Aryan, fifth Lakavat, sixth Sachin, seventh is Anuruddh. This is the sequence. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so chess number one.
The above story, I perceive that there are a total of 4 person, and all are in positive mood. And the main character of my story is Harsh, and also he's in positive mood and of the age group of the 21. And theme of my story is making a college project. So Harsh was a college going student. So they have given the project from the college, and the college name is human gate tracking system using simply module. So Harsh, along with his friend, they have made the group. They have done research regarding the project and with his friends. And they also collect the information regarding the project and gathers information in the YouTube. Along with that, all the things which are needed in the project, they also uh, get that. And finally, they were able to make the project, and they successfully made the project and got appreciation from the HOD. So thank you.
Next.
Good evening, everyone. In this picture, I perceived four male characters. All are between age group 20 to 25 years, and the mood is positive. The main character of my story is Raj. He was studying in graduation third year in Bihar, Nalanda College, Bihar Sharif. He knew that there is a debate competition in his college, so he decided to join the competition and prepare the topic. He studied all the pros and cons of the topic, all the preservation and consequences of the topic, and at the time of debate, he performed well and won the debate.
Next.
Dear gentlemen, through the picture shown to us, I have perceived four male characters under the age group of 25 to 26. And both everyone is in the neutral mode, and the actor about the providing of the manpower. Rahul, who is 25 years old, working in a MNC company as a site engineer. He is one who is who is resolving all the issues happening at the site. So he is running out of manpower. He went to the office and appealed to his manager, but his manager disapproved. Eventually, he prepared the detailed bill and discussed with the project manager and the project directors also. So even at the final, he got the approval for the project, approval for the manpower providing, and he got the manpower and finished the project within the deadline. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. From the picture, I perceive four characters, all male or in positive mood, and age group between 18 to 22. Hari. Hari was BTech. Hari was BTech third year student from IP University. He organized fest. He took the responsibility of organizing fest with all the colleges first, and then he also allocated funds for the fest. After that, he also invited students from other colleges to participate in his fest. Other than that, he also encouraged students to participate in this and put out more stalls and did more shows. And also he encouraged more students to participate in talent shows. Due to his efforts, the fest was fantastic. Thank you.
Next.
Yeah, I need some time. I means I came today only. This is my first session of the class.
Okay.
So
Not an issue.
from tomorrow onwards, I'll be the regular one as well as I will perform my best.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Sachin.
हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes.
सर एक्चुअली थोड़ा कैमरा इशू, तो मैं कैमरा बंद कर देता हूँ, वरना फिर प्रॉब्लम आएगा वॉइस में, मेरे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है।
Yeah, go on.
On the picture shown to us, I have perceived four male characters, age group around 22 to 26 years old, all are in positive mood. Actually, my story is discussion on project. Rahul, a senior manager at TCS company, by seeing his efforts and dedication with all his team member, the director of the company had assigned a new project to develop an automatic alcohol detection application. First, with his all team members, briefed them about the project and shared all the details like deadlines, weekly progress review. Later, he distributed the work among all the team members, like front end, back end, coding, security, and other stuffs. He monitored them every day, and also helped them to fix their bugs and problems, and even take their doubts. Later, they also suggested them to use the chat GPT for the better understanding. They completed the project within the deadline and gave the final demo to the client, and the client was very happy with the efforts put by the team, and they also got a good feedback from the client. Thank you.
All
Good
of you
evening,
switch on
gentlemen.
camera.
Good evening, gentlemen. I perceive my story. There are four male characters in the story. He is a newcomer. He is ages of 16 to 18 years old. It is teenager. He is sitting in a chair in a room. There are will be friends. The main character name is Rohan. He is discussed in a party organized in your society. The planning for party to maintain the discipline and night party. The collection of rupees for planning is very good. Thank you.
Okay. So start our discussion.
So, gentlemen, as many of has written that there are total of four persons, so we can go with the four-person, and the theme must be like making a college project or something regarding that. So, you can take any name XYZ. So, they were doing and they were making the college project. So, we can take that like Hers is doing a project, and Hers is doing, and he was in final year. So, along with his friend, so he was
Gentlemen, I agree with you. As I mentioned
he's
about the
making a
theme we are
project.
taking is discussion about the project. So it is a final. They are the final year boys. So basically,
All agree that there is a college project and these are friends who are doing some
of a project. So the theme goes like this: that these are four friends are doing some kind of final year
Yeah,
project, and we can
I
also add that
completely
these
agree with
four
Chess.
students are
I
computer
completely
science
agree with
students.
Aryan. We can go with that. That theme is like making a college project. So we can take any name XYZ, and they were making a college project, and with and for that they are making research on regarding the projects and what are the things that they needed in the project, and like they're researching in the YouTube, and they're gathering the friends. They're making the new groups in the WhatsApp,
And
and
they're also taking the
like
help of the
making
YouTube
Gentlemen,
and chat
project.
gentlemen, I
GPT
believe
to
we
get a
should first
good project idea.
focus
And they
on
also
we should deciding on what kind of project. For example, that if they are doing computer science project, then they are doing some kind of a coding part. For example, if they are making some kind of website, so some that are protagonist, that the main character of our story is, let's say, Rajesh. He was doing some kind of a project and he worked on front end, whereas he asked his friends to work on back end. So what do
Yeah,
you
I
think?
completely agree with Aryan as he said that we can do like coding in that. So as I said
gentlemen
that
follow
human
again. First
we can use
first of all, we can decide the
human
name
gate
of the
tracking system
application that
using
they are
Zigbee
going
module.
to
It is in so Zigbee is a module which runs wirelessly. So in that also in that thing also Zigbee we uses the coding part also. So we can go with the human gate tracking system using Zigbee module, and it is also benefit for the like if a person is feeling any type of disability like in walking, so we can do that. So we can make the project
Apart
of
from that,
human gate tracking
apart,
system.
apart from that, we can also add that these gentlemen have also took guidance from their project counselor, and they
Yeah,
also published
definitely,
research
definitely.
paper, and
yeah,
they
agreeing with the
published their
both of
research
you. They
paper
also
and
consult about the teachers and they
project
also
report.
took the help
And
of take the help of the Google and they made PPTs and reports so that they can able to present it very well
Yeah,
in their
definitely. Yeah, I
class.
completely agree with Sachin. So
but this also we can also agree that they also took guidance from the senior, and that they prepared their PPT and submitted their project on time,
yeah,
and they were appreciated
yeah,
for that. This can be the
we
story.
can go with that. Finally, they have taken help from the seniors also, and they have taken help from the faculty members who are helping them in the making their project.
And they used to discuss about the project after the college hours so that they will get enough time and they will also focus on
So,
their studies.
so after completing their projects, so they have completed their project, the things that are needed in the project, and they finally got appreciation from their HODs.
And it was also demonstrated in their like college science exhibition.
Yeah, we can take that also.
And then anyone else want to speak? Monu, Anirudh, Vikas, Abhilash, you can also contribute to the discussion.
Yes, we can consider them as college students.
Gentlemen, agreeing with you. But the need, the thing is, don't see any computer here, computer or laptop to check the job here. And we can go for the discussion orally,
Yeah,
oral
yeah,
discussion.
definitely. As Abhilash is saying, so we have also taken the computer in that. Like we are using Zigbee. So Zigbee is the product which needed the this coding part also. Zigbee also needed the coding part, so we can use computer in that thing also.
Yes, gentlemen, but in the picture we don't see any computer. Friends, we can refer to the oral discussions
So,
happening between the four persons.
like gentlemen, we haven't seen any computer in that background or something. So we are just assuming that yes, they are making the project. So we can go with that. So what
Yeah,
you are
just they are
saying?
discussing about the project, like how should they approach and how they
Of
can
the
able to reach the final
project.
destination on
Yeah,
make the application be like in within a deadline and what should be their approaches.
I am agree with Avilas. We can consider it as a oral competition or organizing some party or fest.
okay.
Finally, they are completing the
So, but I completely agree with Aryan, and like Sachin also said that we can go with the like some type of project they are making. So we
yes,
can
Gentlemen,
go
most
with
of
the
agree
project.
with
No, I
the
am agree
same.
with
they are making with
Abhilash
the
and Monu.
yeah.
Orally
So okay, we can take that in the college, like the fest or something like that. We can go with that also if you are agree. So we
Yeah,
can
they
go
are.
with that. They are making the fest. So by taking permission from the HODs and taking help from the seniors, so they are organizing a fest, and for that they are gathering the students, and they are also organizing a committee and also making a committee
I agree
of
with
the
you,
different
Archie.
different
So
refreshment
first of all,
committees and
we
all the
have
things.
We have already, Arre,
open
we had
mic
already
competition.
decided
First
that
of
thing.
all,
Na,
they
we are
make a
doing
plan.
project.
They make the
We while
pamphlets and also distribute it to all the class members so that all people will register uh, for the open mic competition. Later, they schedule a date, time, and also they also share the pamphlet to all the class room groups. WhatsApp.
So okay.
Okay, got it, got it. So now nominate someone from your group.
So
I think
I
Sachin was
yeah, I
selected.
would like to nominate Sachin. So at the end, he was the one who was
Yes,
saying that we can go with
I
that.
will nominate the session.
Okay, Sachin.
Thank you everyone for nominating me. So from the picture we have saw four people. All in positive mood, 24 years old. Astronomy I story is discussing about the college fest. So Rahul, secretary of the college fest, they recently their college is going to organize an open mic competition. So first of all, he make a plan with all the members. They made a time and the venue. They also made a template so that they able to share it all the WhatsApp group where all the people interested in participation will able to register it. They decided the place and time. They also informed their teachers and the HODs about the things. Later they got a good response from the Google form and shared. After that, the event was very successful and all are got appreciation from their HODs and class teachers. Thank you.
Okay. So let me give you the feedback also. Before that, whosoever was in the session and your camera was not on, so I will again that make sure your camera is on during the session, then only it will be useful for you, right? Because we can't see your facial gestures, either will be see the way you express your thoughts, then only we can give you the genuine feedback. Okay. So starting with Akshit. अक्षित आप देख देख के पढ़ रहे थे स्टोरी.
सर नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है सर, थोड़ी बहुत मतलब थोड़ा देखा था बस, देख तो नहीं पड़ी सर मैंने.
हाँ, तो एसएसबी में आपको वहाँ पे शीट थोड़ी मिलेगी हाथ में पढ़ने के लिए, बिना
यस
देखे
सर.
स्टोरी. हाँ. So whenever you have to narrate, you need not to look into the picture, look into the story, right?
Yeah,
We have
yeah,
Vikas
okay.
sir with us also.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, Jai Hind. I hope I'm clearly audible and visible to everyone.
Yes, sir. Jain,
Thank
sir.
you.
Ankush sir, आपका कैमरा ऑफ है, I guess.
It's on, sir.
Okay. So what about Sachin and rest all? आपका कैमरा ऑफ क्यों है?
सर एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क इशू आते ही
Lakawat,
कि आउट
Lakawat Dinesh, please switch on your camera. See, first
Sir,
thing,
sorry for
आप
saying you this. I'm in a bad. I mean, I said outside of my village under a tree, so I'm not visible to you. So, I mean, my apologies to you, sir. From tomorrow onwards, there will be no issue from my side. I will give a sure that one. Damn. Sorry for today.
okay, no issues. The
Thank you,
thing
sir.
is that okay, okay, no issues. The thing is, whenever you are going to join this session, especially you have to keep your camera on. Okay. Whenever required, you have to switch on your mic as well. Main thing is that कैमरा ऑन नहीं करोगे तो हम आपके फेस gestures explain which cannot be analyzed, right? So जब तक नहीं हम आपको देखेंगे, आपकी चीजें नहीं पहचानेंगे, आपके बॉडी लैंग्वेज को नहीं समझेंगे, वी आर नॉट एबल टू गिव यू प्रॉपर फीडबैक। कमिंग टू द अक्षित, अक्षित जैसे आप रीड करके बोल रहे थे, तो अगर कैमरा ऑन था तभी हम देख सकते थे कि आप रीड करके बोल रहे हो। तो प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, इट्स अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, वेन एवर यू ज्वाइन दिस सेशन, मेक श्योर you are at a particular place where your camera is stable and you are ready with mic and camera both. Got it?
Okay,
तो
okay,
ये
sir.
प्राइमरी चीज है। दूसरी चीज ये है कि ये आर्यन आपका कैमरा इधर उधर इधर ऐसे एसएसबी में जाते हो, यू हैव टू बी वेरी सिंसियर, ट्रूथफुल एंड लॉयल। ओके, तो ये सारी चीजें आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए। 15 ओएल कीज होती हैं और वो ओएल कीज आपके अंदर होंगी तभी आपका काम बनेगा। नरेशन के बेसिस पे सिर्फ काम नहीं होता, डी में भी पार्टिसिपेशन मस्ट होता है। नरेशन में आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी होनी चाहिए, पिच अच्छी होनी चाहिए, टोन अच्छी होनी चाहिए, एंड व्हाट लेड टू द सिचुएशन, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ, व्हाट विल कम, आपकी स्टोरी में लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए। व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ में थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स एंड एक्शंस भी आने बहुत जरूरी हैं। तो ये सारी चीजें आपको पेड बैच में पढ़ाई जाती हैं। ओवरऑल मैं आपको हेल्प आउट कर सकता हूँ कि क्या क्या चीजें आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए, क्या क्या नहीं होनी चाहिए। बेसिकली 15 ओएल कीज होनी चाहिए और उसके साथ साथ में आपका OIR रैंकिंग भी 1 या 2 होनी चाहिए। अगर OIR रैंकिंग 2 से ऊपर जाती है, 3-4, तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट स्क्रीन इन और गेटिंग रिकमेंडेड, नहीं होगा। सो यस्टरडे वी हैव फिनिश्ड अवर लास्ट बैच, जो हमारा पेड बैच था वो कल खत्म हुआ है। हियर टुडे was not able to join this session because at the same time I was having my paid batch as well. Alright, तो आप जिसको भी ज्वाइन करना है, you just want to excel your skills, you just want to improve your psychology, you just want to inherit those 15 OLQs in you, you can join the session deep thoroughly. I used to just guide everyone. अभी रिकमेंडेशन अभी काफी हो चुके हैं हमारे, तो अभी अभी एक और लड़की गई हुई है, सी गॉट स्क्रीन इन कोलकाता, मे बी उसका कल या परसों में उसका कॉन्फ्रेंस है। सो वी विल जस्ट अपडेट यू कि उसका क्या रिजल्ट रहा है। आई एम 100% श्योर, 100% तो कुछ नहीं होता, बट यस आई एम 90% श्योर दैट शी इज गोइंग टू मेक इट दिस टाइम। तो उसका इस बार रिकमेंडेशन होना जरूरी है। शी गॉट स्क्रीन इन हर वेरी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट हमारे पास आने के बाद। उससे पहले उन्होंने एसएसबी दी थी, सी गॉट स्क्रीन नाउ। अभी स्क्रीनिंग रेशियो हमारा 90% प्लस चल रहा है। जो जाता है स्क्रीनिंग तो एटलीस्ट होके आता है। उसके बाद आपको वो चीजें पैरामीटर्स फॉलो करने हैं जो हम यहाँ बताते हैं। अगर एट द सेम टाइम सेम चीजें आप वहां कर दोगे तो नो वन इज गोइंग टू स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम योर रिकमेंडेशन। तो मेक श्योर अगर आपकी एसएसबी आज से लगभग 15-20 दिन बाद है तो आप ज्वाइन करना, वरना 15-20 दिन से पहले एसएसबी की प्रिपरेशन अगर मैं आपको बोल दूं जस्ट कि हाँ आप ज्वाइन कर लो 5 दिन में 10 दिन में आपकी एसएसबी है, तो नहीं बन पाएगा काम। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैं कोई झूठी प्रोमिस करने नहीं आया हूँ कि जस्ट आप अंकुश सर को फी पे कर दो और फिर आप मैं अंकुश सर बोल दें या मैं बोल दूं 5 दिन में हो जाएगा। नो, एटलीस्ट 15 दिन होने चाहिए एसएसबी के गैप में। 15 दिन कम से कम, मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम तो कितना भी हो, 1 महीने, 1.5 महीने, 20 दिन चलेगा। 20 दिन तो कम, 15 दिन तो मिनिमम होना चाहिए, क्योंकि 15 दिन में 10 से 15 दिन आपके कोर्स में ही लग जाते हैं, साथ में रे भी चलता रहता है। राइट, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं 5 कराना चाहूँ तो 5 दिन में आपका कोर्स खत्म करा दूं, बट नहीं, मुझे जीरो से स्टार्ट करना होता है कि पीआई की फॉर्म फिल कैसे करना है, कितना डेटा डालना है, पीआई क्यू आपके डेली रूटीन से मैच कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा, आपका सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन से टेस्ट से भी मैच कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा, तो सारी चीजें वी हैव टू मैच, देन ओनली थिंग्स गो इनटू योर फेवर, तभी रिकमेंडेशन होता है। और किसी का कोई डाउट हो, कोई क्वेरी हो, यू कैन आस्क टू मी इफ यू विश टू। बोलो, पूछो।
सर आपने बोला कि OIR में 1 या 2 रैंक लाना पड़ता है, उसमें रैंक?
हाँ, उसमें रैंक होती है। रैंक इन द सेंस कि आपका एक तरीके से परसेंटाइल होता है। आपकी 2 OIR होंगे वहां पर, तो एक OIR में आपके मिनिमम क्वेश्चन 40 होते हैं, मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन 50 होते हैं। राइट, तो 2 OIR हुए, सपोज लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ 50-50 क्वेश्चन ईच केम इन योर OIR टेस्ट 1 and 2. 100 क्वेश्चन हो गए टोटल। तो 100 क्वेश्चन में जिस भी कैंडिडेट के 95 प्लस सही होंगे questions, so 95 to 100, that candidate comes in the category of ranking 1. जिसके 95 से कम होंगे and 90 से प्लस होंगे, that candidate will come in the category of ranking 2. और जैसे 90 से नीचे जाओगे 85